Now, on a typical July day, you'd have to wait a little bit to get a shot like this of the Yellowstone National Park sign, but not today here in Gardiner.
We have a lot of things. Usually the stockroom it would start being empty by now, but that's not the case. In July, we have over 200, 230, 250 sales a day. Now we're down to 20.
90% of sales down. Fewer customers coming through the door and more shirts boxed up and sitting in the storeroom.
There's boxes everywhere here. At least 50,000 shirts in the course of the summer here. 50,000 items. So if we don't move that, if we're down 90% like we're now, then I'm sitting on tens of thousands of items that I cannot move.
Boxes stacked high in the back of house, but also in a cabin outside, and not in one shed, but two. Something that a vendor in West Yellowstone noticed and offered to help by buying some shirts.
This excess inventory that we are not going to be able to move this year because we don't have people.
Sales are trickling in day by day, like from people recreating or making a day trip out of it, like Warwick and his family visiting Montana for the first time from Tennessee.
It's a very cool place. It's very low-key. It's a quiet town, and you should definitely help out the locals, too.
Many shops have decided to close for the remainder of the summer, but Out West Tees stays open and looks toward the future.
I had to tell my vendors to wait until the end of the season to get paid. And that's why we're open. We're trying to generate as much money as possible.
Like many retailers, a lot of these stores order their merchandise about a year in advance, and with so much unsold merchandise that now all is in question. In Gardiner, Jay McDonald, MTN News.